County in northwestern Ohio, Lucas County in northwestern Ohio, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Liberty Center, or near Wildcat, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Toledo, Swanton, Perrysburg, Oregon, Rossford, Waterville, Northwood, White House, Holland, Maumee, Ottawa Hills, Walbridge, Millbury, Haskins, Lucky, Grand Rapids, Tontogany, Harborview, Stony Ridge, and Minneapolis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Lucas and Wood.